things I do today. First things first, I had a piece of work to put on here. I know you're probably wondering why the dog have a bucket under your aquarium. We can get to that. Don't be tough. See this bucket here? This bucket kind of special to me and my aquarium now, but you gotta understand why just now. Well, I only keep my company to remake the solution. I man, I don't really drink and thing, but personally, if I used to drink, I would have sample with it tasting like dog, because it is literally smell like wine dog, because it have yeast in there now. So what I'm really trying to say is, next time you want wine, don't go by the wine man, call me instead. Just so that we have a clean bottle and we're ready to start fresh. But to do that, we need two things. Number one, sugar. Number two, instant yeast. I don't have a funnel, but come on, only watching my videos a while. All you know as a malta kind of function on this, so I easily make a funnel with this wax paper here. Yeah. First cup of sugar, inside. Second cup, inside. Fill them up with a little warm water and make sure the sugar dissolve. As a professional wet man, I just know the right temperature now, you feel me? Shake, more shake, more shake. And now, once that finished dissolve, all we need to do is throw a little bit of yeast in there, top it off with a little bit of baking soda. And to answer the question why the dog have a bucket under the aquarium, now the yeast in here gonna slowly eat the sugar and literally shit out CO2, which is what the plants in the aquarium just be begging for to grow healthy. Like literally no joke, this is before I start doing this and this is now. Shout out to the dog Sharda_RX300 for commenting on my last video.